Tucker with Really Entertainment News. What's the deal with Jordan Rogers, who got the first impression rose on The Bachelorette? I finally got around to watching the season premiere last night, and he seemed to really connect with JoJo. And he revealed he's the brother of Green Bay Packers quarterback Aaron Rodgers. He also blamed football for the end of his last relationship, but then his ex posted to Instagram, riding the bench doesn't get in the way of a relationship, but cheating does. Really? And JoJo just admitted that she knew of him before filming began, as she heard a spoiler that Aaron Rodgers' brother would be part of the cast, but that's all she knew. She doesn't follow football, and they never met before. I really like the two of them together, but now I'm kind of stepping back a little bit to see if he's going to turn out to be a cad. With the Australian dog case settled with them, Johnny Depp and Amber Heard are now headed for divorce court. Really? She just pleaded guilty to falsifying documents a year after they sneaked dogs into Australia to visit him on the set. Then they made a really weird video admitting to what they did. And now, she filed for divorce, citing irreconcilable differences after 15 months of marriage. Do you think being embroiled in this international dog smuggling case for nearly the duration of their whole marriage had an impact on it? And who gets custody of the dogs after the split? Tommy Chong's daughter, Ray Dong Chong, says he is heartbroken he was dropped from the Bernie Sanders rally. Really? He endorsed Sanders back in January and posted a video to express his loyalty. He was supposed to introduce Sanders at a rally in Los Angeles this week, and just before the event, he was uninvited. He feels insulted and believes this is over his close association with weed. Daughter Ray Dawn Chong hates when her dad is hurt and says maybe Bernie isn't so progressive after all. I'm not sure what to think about it. Is the race so tight that he doesn't want to risk that association? I don't know. Just after getting out of jail, Dustin Diamond, known to the world as Screech, went right back in. Really? He'd been sentenced to 4 months in jail after he was convicted of disorderly conduct following an incident where a knife he was carrying nicked another man. There's a dispute over whether he was trying to stab him or not. But now that he's served his time and is out, or was out, he's right back in because of a parole violation, but no other details are available. And this is after he was all over Extra every day being interviewed by former co-star Mario Lopez. Get all the details, but something tells me he isn't really reformed and that he's still acting like a spoiled brat, as he always has.